Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best wideband gauge available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the AEM UEGO Air Fuel Wideband Gauge. Our first pick will be the AEM Broadband Gauge. With a clear LED display, as well as a needle that can change color, it allows you to keep track of the transitions between rich and lean within your vehicle's engine. Because of its 52mm size, this gauge can be able to fit into many gauge pods. The display itself is able to be mounted remotely almost anywhere inside the vehicle, which helps motorists or navigators keep track of the ratio of fuel. Each AEM gauge comes with an analog output of 0 to 5V, suitable for data loggers and virtually every engine's management systems. When used, it's extremely precise and responsive due to a Bosch UEGO sensor inside. It also comes with bezels and faceplates that can be interchanged that make it easy to create the perfect look for your vehicle. To make it easier to get started, it is equipped with everything you'll require to make the installation easy and includes a weld-in bung. Moving up at number 2 is the Innovate Motorsports Wideband Gauge. This Innovate Motorsports Wideband Gauge is an extremely valuable product. This is all due to its sleek and powerful performance. With its exclusive direct digital technology, this handy gauge can show a car's air-to-fuel ratio with accuracy and speed. The gauge is also able to calibrate the O2 sensor in your car to ensure the highest precision. It has 2 linear outputs that can be adjusted from 0 to 5 volts and can transmit data directly to your data recorder and/or engine management systems. To facilitate installation, the kit includes everything you need to begin by putting on a weld-on bung and programming cable, a sensor cable, and complete instruction manual. After installation, the sensor on the remote is simple to read thanks to bright LEDs. Drivers have reported that the gauge is precise and reliable, and they also note that it's easy to set up as well. It's the ideal choice for those who need to monitor their fuel consumption, as well as tune their car with precision. At number 3 on our list is the AEM X Series Wideband Gauge. The greatest aspect that comes with this AEM X Series Wideband Gauge, it's the display, and the striking faceplate that is modern and attractive. The 7-segment central display makes it simple to read while on the move, and X digital technology permits the device to be able to measure in variety of outputs, something other sensors cannot. To make it easier to usage, the display is 87% bigger than the other models that are available, that allows users and drivers to get an accurate reading as fast as they can. It has an output port that is 0 to 5V, for precise data logging, regardless of gadget or management software is employed. Due to its remarkable response time, the gauge gives drivers with a secure, robust and precise tuning. The gauge was reported by users to have was much more warm than the other gauges that are available. Be aware that in the event you experience any problems with the sensor in your device, then you will not be able to get it replaced because it's not covered by the warranty of the manufacturer. At number 4 is the Autometer Ultra-Lite Wideband Gauge Kit. If you're looking for the best features, and don't mind paying some extra for them, the Autometer Ultra-Lite Broadband Gauge Kit is an excellent choice. This gauge is part of a kit that includes everything you require to set up your new gadget. Wiring harness, weld-in O2 sensor, bung mounting hardware, as well as detailed instructions are all part of the gauge is equipped with the Bosch LSU sensors. The gauge offers outstanding accuracy and a rapid response time. Once it's in place, the gauge produces an output of 0 to 4 volts that can be plugged to all data loggers and AQs as well as laptops using tuning software. If you don't have access in laptop, it's simple to check your engine's fuel air ratio on a single glance, thanks to the LED's bright display. This, together with an bar graph that is radial, makes it easy to glance at. This kit works with nearly all race and street vehicles, allowing for a wide range of use. The 5th product on our list is the Innovate Motorsports Wideband Gauge. The Innovate Motorsports Wideband Gauge, an excellent product for those who need to know information quickly. It's fast and effective, and it not only shows the air-fuel ratio, but can provide feedback on the O2 sensors in your vehicle. With an extremely fast analog output rate, it makes sure that you can clearly observe any changes to the air-fuel ratio in real time, and feed this information to an ECU. Due to Bosch LSU technology, this reading is extremely precise. This gauge was specifically designed to be used in high-performance applications as well as forced inductions, which makes it a fantastic alternative for racing vehicles. Because of the gauge's 52 mm in diameter, it's simple to change faceplates and bezels to create a completely customized look. Also, you'll appreciate its bright, LED-lit display that makes the ratio between air and fuel simple to read quickly for easy at-the-go monitoring. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.